this is Binny from Binny'sEasyRecipes.com, and today I'm here to showcase a product that's extremely close to my heart. The reason it's extremely close to my heart is because I live in India, Mumbai, and this product is available in India at a very competitive price. Okay, this is the Wellspire multi-cooking pot. It is a product that is in comparison to the Instant Pot, the Mealfy, the Geek. There are lots of other products in the market, but the pricing is competitive, safety-wise, design-wise, efficiency-wise. It is at par with all the international products. Okay, so let's get to unboxing this Wellspire multi-cooking pot, and I will tell you in detail why this product is extremely useful in your kitchen. As you all know, I'm a big fan of multi-cookers, and I've been cooking in the multi-cooker since a long time now. Because it's the most important thing to have in your kitchen, with people being so extremely busy working, especially during the pandemic like right now. Everybody is working from home, and I know lots of people who have been actually working till late night. So I know these girls want to make a quick and instant meal, yet a delicious one with all its nutritional values preserved and intact. So the multi-cooker is an efficient, safety-wise very good, and a product that can replace almost 5 appliances in your kitchen. So the Wellspire multi-cooking pot comes with a lot of freebies, which I'm going to unbox now and I'm going to show you. But the first thing that comes out is this gasket. This is an extra gasket that comes along with the multi-cooker, and I like to use an extra gasket because I like to use 2 different gaskets, one for sweet and one for savory. So if I'm baking a cake, I don't want my cake to smell like dal makhani and my dal makhani not to smell like my cake, and it's a different colored one, so I definitely love the extra gasket that it's provided. It comes with a thank you note, and it says that thank you and welcome to the world of Wellspire. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty on the PRS, that is the pressure regulation system, and the heating element has a 1-year limited warranty. However, there are a lot of instructions that are provided, and it says the do's and don'ts, the limitations, the exclusions, or whatever. There are some very important tips that you should read in this card here. There are things that you need to know, that this lid does get a little hot because it is made of stainless steel, whereas this handle here is actually made of a material that's not going to get hot. So it's safe to handle, but you have to make sure that you do not touch the elements that are stainless steel. There is a vent, so you can seal in the pressure, whereas vent out the pressure. There is a pressure valve. And if I show you that this is the extra gasket that I was talking about, this is a transparent one, or a white one as you can call it. Okay, now talking about the freebies that come along with the multi-cooker, we have these ladles, and I like these especially because they don't kind of scratch your multi-pot. This is the curry ladle, and this is the rice ladle. It comes with a measuring cup. It is a 120 ml or a 160 ml full measuring cup. So it's easier to measure water for your rice, for your upmas, and it's convenient and handy. Okay, obviously there is the power cord. This is something that I really like because the inner pot does get kind of hot, and these are the mittens, which are very easy to use and to lift out your baskets from the inner pot. This is something that I really like. This is a 7 egg rack, or an egg boiler rack. That's what they call it. So all you need to do is put water in your inner pot, put your eggs in here, and put the eggs straight down in the multi-cooker, so that you have soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or medium-boiled eggs, just perfect every time. Okay. It comes with a trivet. It is a stainless steel trivet. You can actually use it 2 ways. You can actually use it like a sling to get things out, or you can use it like a just a regular trivet, so that you can pull things out very easily. And everything is made out of stainless steel, which is the biggest steam. This is the steamer basket, which I really like. I can steam my broccoli, my vegetables. I can put in, my rice box in this and make the rice along with the curry that I'm making. So 2 in 1, yeah. I'm zoomed in for your convenience to show you the very stylish and the very sleek, easily navigable, friendly LCD display panel. Okay, this display panel or the LCD display panel is actually something that is really of international quality. I'll tell you why. And there are these buttons which are so easy to operate, which is like perfect, that even my teenager, I can leave my teenager and tell her to make rice and it's perfectly cooked all the time. Like I said, eggs. If I have to tell her to make eggs, she makes the eggs using the egg button and they are perfectly done all the time. Well, there is the booklet that tells you exactly how long will you cook. So suppose you want soft boiled eggs, you'll cook for 4 minutes, 5 minutes for your medium boiled and 6 minutes for your hard boiled eggs. Okay, now coming to the first one, there is poultry. So if you're going to make chicken, you know exactly that my chicken, if I press the poultry button, even if I'm a newbie to using a multi-cooker, I exactly know what I'm doing. I can press the poultry button and my chicken will be cooked all perfectly. Then we have the meat, the stew, beans, so you can make your rajma, your choles in this button. Soup, so suppose you're making a potato soup or a tomato soup or a mixed vegetable soup, just press the soup button and you're sorted. Rice, so it generally takes around 10 to 12 minutes for perfectly cooked rice. There's multigrain because there are a lot of times you don't know that there is rajma, there is dal, there is moong, all cooking at once. I don't know what I'm going to do and how I'm going to cook this perfectly well. Dal. So suppose I want to make sambar, I make the arhar dal on dal pressure and then I saute all my vegetables in the saute mode and put my vegetables, my tomatoes and make my sambar quickly. Okay, there is also the slow cook button, which is very important to make dal makhnis or a nalli nihari. Just prep, put it on slow and cook for 8 hours or whatever and you are sorted. You make a best nalli nihari or a dal makhni. Okay, the steam button, it's extremely important to steam like the doklas, the idlis. There are times that you really don't want to use your idli cooker and you want to use just your multi cooker because it's the best. Egg, again, like I said. So the cake button, I've made a New York style cheesecake which has turned out just perfectly well. There is a dense loaf kind of a cake that I have made in my multi-cooker and that's turned out very well. Then I also have, there is also a yogurt button. So in places like Delhi or Bangalore or places where it really gets cold in your kitchen, you don't know how to set a perfectly right consistency yogurt, you just set your yogurt button on, put your container inside your inner pot, close it, set, and you have perfectly right consistency yogurts that you can get. Okay, then there's a sterilizer. During this COVID time, I have been using this button a lot. Have been sterilizing all my vegetables and kind of preserving them for a pretty long time. I also like that there is a manual button which you can set the manual pressure or the manual time depending, and this is a screen where you'll be getting your display, so you exactly know that you set it for 0 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 5, for 15, and the pressure is rising, so you'll see the pressure rising, and then now it's cooling off, and there's a keep warm button that actually kind of helps you use this keep warm button, kind of keeps your food warm enough for you to have a nice warm hot meal when you're sitting on the dinner table, so you don't have to reheat it again and you have a nice warm meal on your table. So if I have to sum up, so the Wellspire multi-cooking pot is a treasure in my kitchen, and I'm sure it's going to be in yours. You will never be disappointed, believe me. I can trust my husband, who can actually not make anything on a stove top, with making rice. He's actually tried a few gravies as well, and he's tried making a biryani and it's turned out perfect. You can also trust your teenager, your boyfriend, or even anybody who has not been acquainted with a lot of cooking experience to make a very delicious meal within 25 to 30 minutes. That's like, quite doable. Safety wise, number one. Efficiency wise, number one. Service wise, number one in India. So I actually have been using this multi-cooker since a long time, and I am so happy that it can actually make a very, very nutritious meal within 30 minutes or so, and it's actually the best thing that I've come across. So from my kitchen to yours, happy cooking. Take care.